Another day, another farming experience. Magandang araw mga ka-farmers! Ready na ba kayo para sa isang exciting episode? Ako nga pala si Jazz, ang tagabigay ng brilliant ideas, walang mamimiss na fun moment ng Farm with Joyce, and Mark, our Mr. No Sunshine, for our amazing aerial shots. Thanks to our drone guy, Mac. From farm to table, our chef, Otto. Hey mga ka-fam! Welcome back sa our calamansi farming journey. Week 3 na tayo and look at that! Yung mga calamansi plants natin steady na at parang ready na mag-bloom. So today, it's time for a little TLC! We're giving our plants some fertilizer love gamit ang Amigo 21-0-0. Pero before we put anything, we make sure na well-watered na yung plants natin para ready na sila mag-absorb ng lahat ng nutrients. We make sure that all the calamansi plants are given fertilizer so they can grow and bloom together. Ngayon, it's time to talk about something super important. Fungicide! Yes mga fam, we just sprayed an organic fungicide sa mga plants natin and here's why it's a game changer. First off, ang fungicide ay tumutulong para maiwasan ang mga fungi na pwedeng magdulot ng damage sa ating calamansi plants. Kailangan talaga ito, lalo na pag umuulan kasi fungi love the wet conditions at sila ang number 1 enemy ng mga plants. Now, paano nga ba nakakatulong ang fungicide sa mga farmers like us? Well, for starters, it protects the leaves, stems, and fruits from fungal diseases. This means our calamansi stays healthy, fresh, and free from those pesky pests. And who doesn't want that, right? After all that plant pampering, we head over sa caretaker's place, where it's time to harvest some fresh veggies, talk about farm-to-table vibes. Ayan, lahat yan mga fam. Stay tuned for more fun updates and farming adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and follow para sama-sama tayo sa our calamansi farming journey. See you next time!